Hi guys, welcome back to Control Shift Eat and you're watching Cook with Shweta. So today you can see we are going to make this delicious tomato and carrot soup. Can you see how thick this is? And I haven't even used cream and it is still extremely creamy and velvety in texture. So let's start the recipe. So first of all, in a pressure cooker, I'm taking 3 medium tomatoes. It's good and ripe tomatoes. 1 medium carrot roughly chopped and 1 onion medium that is also roughly chopped. To this I'm adding 7 cloves of garlic, some salt to taste, around half a teaspoon, red chili powder, around half a teaspoon, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 cloves or long, black peppercorns as required. I'm using 7 to 8. Then I'm going to add a glass of water to this and we are going to pressure cook it for around 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, we have to release all the pressure and then we are going to open the cooker. So you can see that all the veggies are properly cooked. It's nice and soft. So now we are going to blend this mixture. So I'm just using the tomato. I'm skipping the water while blending. And to this I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. You could add more sugar if you like your soup to be on a sweeter side. Now we are going to blend this into a smooth and velvety paste. This is how it should look, extremely smooth and velvety. So we are going to add this mixture into the pan and next we are going to add some butter to this. I'm adding little bit of butter but you could add more butter if you like. I'm also clearing the contents of the mixer jar using water and I'm adding that to the soup. Now we are going to bring this to a boil and I've used the flashlight to show you how velvety and smooth the soup looks. So now you just have to bring it to a boil or till the soup thickens. After that we are going to add around half a cup of milk. So milk would make the soup more creamier. Mix it well and again cook it for like 5 minutes. So the combination of milk and the flour would make the soup nice and thick. So you can see how this looks after 5 minutes. It's absolutely thick and delicious. Now we are going to serve this into the bowls and I'm using croutons. No, these are not croutons. These are rusk. So I've chopped up some rusk that you have with your tea. And trust me guys, it tastes absolutely amazing with tomato soup. You should definitely give this a try. It's a very easy alternative to your croutons. So I'm just adding some milk on top of it just for the additional decorative purpose. So since we have added carrots to the soup, it helps the color, it helps the texture, and obviously it increases the nutritional value. So without wasting any time, I'm going to dig in. So that's it, guys. That's my recipe for a very wholesome tomato and carrot soup. I've tried to use all the ingredients that are readily available at home, that is, milk and your whole wheat flour. Also, instead of croutons, regular croutons, I've used rusk because I it was just lying around and I thought let's try this with soup. And you won't believe it, the results were so amazing. So I thought to share this experience with you. And if you like what you're watching, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.